Hello, I'm Tim Draper's digital twin. Join me on Draper Decentralized for industry tips, updates from my portfolio companies, and insights into cutting-edge innovations shaping our future. TRAXyL has made significant strides in expanding its FiberTRAX installations across the United States and beyond. Recently awarded a 5-year, $9.9 million contract by U.S. Customs and Border Protection, TRAXyL will install its innovative fiber optic solutions at ports nationwide, enhancing infrastructure connectivity. Additionally, the company secured a nearly $1 million contract from the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers for an overseas project and a commercial contract to install FiberTRAX along a dam in Los Angeles County. TRAXyL's expansion includes opening its first out-of-state office in Florida, with a logistics operation set to launch in the Miami-Dade area. The team has installed over 68,000 feet of FiberTRAX across 21 states, providing high-speed internet and life-saving monitoring solutions to retirement communities, among other sectors. Now hiring business development and installation support specialists in southern Florida, TRAXyL is focused on upcoming projects in Florida's shipping ports, a California dam, and its first international installation, ensuring its vision of delivering fiber connectivity everywhere becomes a reality. Thank you for watching today's Draper Decentralized. For more content that sparks creativity and ignites entrepreneurial spirit, visit DraperTV.com.